Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about some surprising facts about giraffes you probably didn't know. Giraffes are fascinating creatures, but did you know that there's a lot more to them than just their long necks? In this video, we'll be exploring some lesser-known facts about giraffes that will definitely pique your interest. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world. Standing at an average height of 16 to 18 feet, they can reach even higher when stretching their necks. This is due to the fact that they have incredibly long legs, with their front legs being longer than their hind legs. Despite their height, giraffes have only 7 vertebrae in their necks, which is the same as most other mammals. However, each of their vertebrae is much larger and longer than those of other animals, allowing them to have such a long neck. Giraffes have a unique pattern on their fur, just like human fingerprints. No two giraffes have the same pattern, which makes them easily identifiable from one another. Giraffes are social animals and live in groups called towers. These groups can range from just a few individuals to as many as 20. Within these groups, giraffes form close bonds with one another and often engage in affectionate behaviors like nuzzling and licking each other. Despite their large size, giraffes are incredibly graceful animals. They can run up to 35 miles per hour and are capable of leaping up to 6 feet off the ground. Giraffes have a unique way of drinking water. Because their necks are so long, they have to spread their front legs wide apart and bend down awkwardly to reach the water. This position makes them vulnerable to predators, so they have to be extremely cautious while drinking. Giraffes only need to sleep for a few minutes at a time. They can sleep standing up or lying down, and they often only sleep for a total of 30 minutes in a day. Giraffes have an incredibly long tongue that can stretch up to 18 inches. They use their tongues to reach leaves and buds on trees that are out of reach for other animals. Giraffes have a very slow heartbeat, which averages around 150 beats per minute. This is much slower than other animals of similar size. Giraffes are facing increasing threats in the wild, including habitat loss and poaching. There are currently only around 100,000 giraffes left in the wild, making them a vulnerable species. Giraffes have very long eyelashes that can measure up to 5 inches in length. These eyelashes help protect their eyes from the sun and insects, and also act as a sensor to alert them when objects are close. Giraffes have a unique way of communicating with each other. They make a variety of sounds, including grunts, snorts, and moos, as well as infrasonic sounds that are too low for humans to hear. Despite their long necks, giraffes only have 7 cervical vertebrae, just like humans and most other mammals. However, each of their vertebrae can be over 10 inches long. Giraffes have a specialized cardiovascular system that helps them cope with the extreme pressure of pumping blood to their brains. They have a large heart and high blood pressure that prevents blood from flowing back down their long necks. Giraffes have a very slow metabolism and can go for long periods of time without water. In fact, they can get most of the water they need from the leaves they eat. When they do need to drink, they can consume up to 10 gallons of water at once. Giraffes have an acute sense of hearing and can detect sounds from far distances. Their ears can rotate independently to capture sounds from different directions. Giraffes are ruminants, which means that they have a 4-chambered stomach and chew cud. This allows them to digest tough plant matter more efficiently. Giraffes have a prehensile tongue, which means that they can use it to grasp and manipulate objects. They also have tough and flexible lips that help them pull leaves off trees. Giraffes have a natural defense mechanism called necking, which involves 2 males using their long necks as weapons to fight for dominance. They swing their necks at each other and deliver powerful blows. Giraffes are able to close their nostrils to protect themselves from sand and dust during sandstorms. They can also hold their breath for several minutes, which helps them avoid predators in the water. So there you have it, some surprising facts about giraffes you probably didn't know. We hope you enjoyed learning more about these fascinating creatures. If you have any other interesting facts to share about giraffes, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more wildlife videos. Thanks for watching.